This is a presentation of my procedural content generation project using minimum spanning trees. This project creates maps in two phases. In the first phase, each map is generated independently of all other maps, which is known as generation. This generation uses a minimum spanning tree algorithm to find minimum edge weights in a random graph. The graph is created with n by n nodes, and can have any number that is greater than 0. In this particular example, n is 7. In the second phase, each map is linked to all adjacent maps. This is known as hole punching. If there is only one map in a particular direction, then the map will not have exits in that direction, as that would result in the user ending up on the same map, but on the opposite side. If the user reaches the end of a map that is an edge map, then they will wrap around to the beginning of the other maps. Here we can see that these maps can be created using any setting for the number of nodes, the number of maps in the x direction, and the number of maps in the y direction. Further description of this is available in the source code's README file. Each of the maps links to an equally placed point on all adjacent maps, which provides a sense of continuity when traveling between different maps. The point chosen to link the maps will be the same on adjacent maps. This point is based on the number of nodes in the graph. As the graph generation algorithm generates the maps independently, this guarantees that they will be able to link together in a particular way. This approach also takes on properties of a tile-based generation approach. Due to the maps being linked to all adjacent maps, this results in cycles in the maze, leading to more interesting traversal. In the future, this kind of approach could be expanded to examine the use of an MST to link different maps together, which would still create a valid MST, but would be faster than creating a single larger map. All source code for this project is available at the link in the description. Maps generated use the .tmx file format. The language used to write this project is Vala. In order to compile the project, you will need to use the Vala compiler, which is available on all major operating systems. Thank you.